So your girl is heading home in the rain, and I will find a clear umbrella wherever it is. Now mind you, I may have to leave this clear umbrella in Portugal because I don't have space.
Like cold November rain, like a man without a name, like a song without a refrain. That's how I feel without you. Like a door without a key, like a whale without the sea.
Why does my hair feel wet?
Like a hive without the bees.
This one. Or I think it's this one. So guys, it's day 2. I just left home. I left a little later than I anticipated. Okay, this is a better light. I am often reluctant to pull out my camera, not because it's unsafe. I just don't like to vlog with my camera, but I don't like phone quality. So I'm going to show you guys what Portugal or Porto looks like, because I think if I'm just showing my face, then I'm doing you a disservice with this vlog.
Quando o sol se pôs, pensei em nós dois. Foi a alma que morreu. Tudo escureceu, bem ao meio-dia. Foi no
Super difficult to be a vlogger when you're by yourself, because you have to carry your equipment by yourself, and I don't want to have any big bag on my back. So
you need a picture?
Mas quando eu olho nos olhos, é tudo bem diferente. A boca fala, mas o coração não mente. O amor é uma teoria explicada por gente. Não parece nem um pouco com que a gente sente. Se foi uma ilusão.
I am leaving Ribeira and I'm going on the funicular to Taha or something like that. I'm going to look for lunch, and I'm going to see if I can see the Porto Cathedral. I am going to leave the toys for tomorrow and Wednesday, although tomorrow I want to go to Lisbon and Sintra, but I need to book my toys for there. So I'm going to see. So, let's go.
Steht wieder voll im Bilder, Rainer. Der merkt das nicht. Der ist total verstrahlt.
So I am heading to Voltaria. I just took the funicular ride. I think I'm near São Bento, which is a very popular train station.
Mas quando eu olho nos olhos, é tudo bem diferente. A boca fala, mas parece nem um pouco com o que a gente sente. Se foi uma ilusão, porque some o chão. Foi um sonho.
So guys, I'm about to leave São Bento. I don't even know if I'm saying that correct, but I'm leaving São Bento and I really enjoyed the tiles. They're so vivid. I don't know what they're depicting, so I'm definitely going to come back with a walking tour so that I can understand what's happening in the pictures on the tiles. But it's beautiful, and so am I. You guys, the Portuguese have my hat. They're so nice, they're so lovely, and I was really worried about racism. So far that's not been my experience, and I'm happy that it's not me. I made it to Porto, which I heard is a great place to have lunch. I also read in the reviews that it's very tiny and that there is a line, so you have to get there early. But I didn't get there early. I stopped at São Bento train station, so there is indeed a line, but it's not super long. And hopefully the food is worth the wait. But I can wait. Those who don't know, when gas is placed in your tail, tea first. I got this drink. It's listed as an iced tea, but it's not iced tea as we know it. It's a bit of a soda with a fresher taste. So just in case you see sumo and you see iced tea next to it, it's not the traditional iced tea, but it's good. It just has some fizziness to it. I am about to huff and puff my way up some stairs, but it is necessary because I have just had this francesina and I need to walk it off anyways. Oh, but the view is nice. Porto Cathedral. Of course, you can hear the beautiful music in the background. As usual, that is a common feature in Porto thus far. Really good music, so just vibes, vibes, and more vibes. And look at this beautiful skyline. It's just beautiful. Okay, so I just met a lady called Elizabeth, and she's from Verona in Italy, and she was so nice. She walked so far with me to take my picture. Just beautiful. Some rain that started falling unexpectedly. I just stopped at Fabbrica di Nata, which is where you should be getting your pastel di nata from, supposedly. I'm going to try it and tell you guys what I think. I've had it before, but I've had it in London. And judging from how Caribbean food tastes in London, which is nothing like the original, I'm not going to judge the stuff by what I've gotten in London. That being said, I love custard stuff, so let's see if I like this one. I'm trying to eat and vlog. First things first, it is warm, which is not, it wasn't in London. Look, my bag just fell. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to taste it and tell you guys. It tastes very different. Why am I too dirty again? I'm going to eat it and come back and tell you guys what I think, because it's a sugar show. I'm trying to balance everything that I'm balancing right now. So guys, I went to Quarterly and I did skin scan. I didn't show you guys, but I came across a simple shop and I decided to buy something, and I'm personalizing it because I'm extra. This is what it will say. Where we started this morning. It just rained, so I won't go into the park because my shoes are white, although they're no longer white. But I'll show you guys around, and then I'm heading home for a little bit. It's a little after 6, so I'm going to go home, and maybe if it's not raining too much, I will leave again and go to the Crystal Palace a little later, like in an hour or so.
crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, better help me carry. My crown so heavy, crown is so heavy, my crown so heavy.